Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set up a payment option on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here at squarespace.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and log into your account, and here you'll be greeted by your dashboard under which you can find the websites you want to access. So what you want to do is open up the website that you want to set up payment for. So I'm going to open it up by clicking the website button right here. That's going to open it up, and now you'll be greeted by your website where you can find all the options you can access, such as website, your pages, products, and so on. So basically guys, this is what we want to do. What you want to do is go ahead and click the settings option right here at the left side of the screen. Click on settings, and this is now going to open up this new menu where you can find all the settings for your website, such as site availability, languages, and so on. And we want to look at the left side screen. So under the left side of the screen, we have multiple options, one of which is selling. And guys, under selling, once you click on the settings option, in this new menu that appears, you'll see one of the options to add payments is to click this option right here. So add ways to receive payments. And after selecting this, now you can go ahead and select what you want to use. So you can select your store currency, then you can select what kind of payment option you want to use, like Stripe, PayPal, and so on, and get started setting it up, logging into your accounts, and so on, and get started saving it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.